Now we have breaking updates coming in after Sam Pitroda backs China and heaps praises and says China is not an enemy. The Congress party yet again attempting a face saver. Now Congress leader coming on to say that China is our enemy and claiming that Rahul Gandhi in fact called out China. Listen in to what the Congress has to say now.
The threat from China, I think this issue is often blown out of proportion because the US has a tendency to define an enemy. We need to change this mindset and stop assuming that China is the enemy from day one. It's unfair not just to China but to everyone. How do you see this?
Congress party and our leader Rahul Gandhi himself has made so many allegations against China. It is the considered opinion of Congress party and Rahul ji also that China has occupied our land. So if they have occupied our land, how can we consider China as our friend? Definitely China is our enemy, and continuously he is aggressive against India.
Thank you.
That's a face saver by the Congress party. Pragya, the Congress party attempting damage control. But what Rashid Alvi says is in contrast to what Sam Pitroda has said. Firstly, Rahul Gandhi was all praises for China in the floor of the House. Now Sam Pitroda is not just any other leader. He's a very senior leader in the Congress party.
Well, we have to look at the status of both the leaders in the party. Obviously, we know Sam Pitroda is the mentor. Rashid Alvi, not so much. And, if we heard Rahul Gandhi in the parliament and we all heard him, he has all the praises for China. And everyone knows that, whenever it comes to Indian government and Chinese government, the Congress has always favored Chinese government and praised them. In fact, Rahul Gandhi, cited an example of the growth of China, which is all right for Indian government as well, but you don't have to pull your own government down and its achievement down when you are comparing the two nations. And in fact, this is exactly the reason why the government also attacked Mr. Rahul Gandhi, saying that you must be forgetting 60 years what you did and what you didn't do to have this kind of growth in India that it is achieving in last 10 years. Having said that, we also know that there had been MOU signed by Congress, which BJP has always been speaking about. We have also, heard many of the Congress leaders had visited China, had in fact interactions with them. The BJP has time and again calling them, and there is a systematic sort of statement, dialogues, and also a narrative that is coming from Congress when it comes to China and Indian relationship. So there is also a bit of confusion whenever they want to corner the government. They say China has been aggressive and Indian government has been unable to contain them. But when it also, when it comes to the trade relation and they believe that it may harm China, we know the background of the US putting tariff on China in terms of the trade on goods and imports. It may dent China, and it has always helped and benefited India whenever there is a trade war between US and China. So this probably statement has come in that context, a kind of narrative that has been trying to be pushed into India by pressurizing the government to have cordial relationship with China is what many of the experts believe right now. And this is all part of that ecosystem that BJP is that are trying to harm the Indian sovereignty and integrity. And, this particular statement come at a time when Prime Minister has just come back from the US visit. We know US-China having problem, US putting 25% of tariff on trade, India getting benefited because the exports to US increases. All that is seems to be part of the economic warfare right now. And probably this is the reason why Mr. Sam Pitroda is saying that we should not be confrontationalist and we should deal with China as in a fair manner. When it comes to your nation, you have to put your interest first.
Absolutely.
Not anyone else countries like everyone else does.
And to say that it is India's stance that is confrontational and is creating enemies is also bereft of the reality, isn't it, Pragya? There's a big political story and reactions continue to come in with the BJP saying that this is a very, very clear proof of Congress's pro-China stance. We're keeping a track of the developments on that story.